The advanced 9 breaths of purification technique involves visualizing and feeling the Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. You can see a diagram of them right here. Bring your hands into a mudra of your choice. The mudra that you choose will have an energetic effect on the outcome of the exercise. Bring the hands palm facing up. Take up the right hand. Use the finger of your choice, and again, the finger that you choose will have an energetic effect on the exercise, but I'm going to be using the middle finger. Close off the right nostril. As you inhale in through the left nostril, you feel and you visualize the Ida expanding and turning bright blue. Then close off the left nostril, and as you exhale, contract the Ida and push the bright blue energy out through the red Pingala, removing any blockages and allowing them to dissipate as dark, murky smoke. 3 times. Bring the right hand down. Now take the left hand, finger of your choice, close off the left nostril, inhale in through the right, and feel and visualize the Pingala opening up and turning bright red. Then close off the right nostril, exhale, contract the Pingala, and push the bright red energy out through the blue Ida. 3 times. Now you've cleansed the Ida and the Pingala, it's time to cleanse the Sushumna. When you inhale, breathe in through the Ida and the Pingala and visualize them turning bright blue, bright red, and expanding. As the energy comes down into the belly, the Sushumna opens up. So feel and visualize the Sushumna opening and turning bright white. Then as you exhale, you contract all 3 channels and you push the prana through the center of the Sushumna up and out through the Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra. Inhale, open, expand the channels, let the energy come into the Sushumna, then you feel and you visualize the Sushumna turning bright white. And any blockages that are in that channel melt away in this bright light. And when you exhale, you push the murky smoke up and out through the crown chakra, and it removes all of the blockages and all of the energy blocks in that channel. 3 times. You can do this exercise from 1 to 3 times. So let's do it together. The 9 breaths of purification are very fast and very efficient. Be sure to check out my other videos. Long life and good health.